everyone, I am so excited. So today we are decorating Naturally Philow's new apartment. So we're just gonna give you a tour. This is basically it. This is gonna be the dining area is what we're looking at, and obviously you see a lot of things here. So we're ready to put it together. It's a lot of work, but we are here. We're about to get started. So stay tuned because we're gonna see how it's gonna end up finishing. I'm really excited, and we'll make her dreams a reality. Bye. For more videos like this, you can like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I have new videos uploaded. See ya!